name is Jagdish Kalar. I live in Solihull here in the West Midlands in the UK. I'm married, I've got 3 children. Born and bred in the UK. I work for a corporate company in the pharmaceutical industry. My parents came in well, my dad was one of the first to come into the UK in 1954. And my parents actually got married in England in Wolverhampton. I think more from a retirement point of view, they built, they made a 14-acre piece of land just outside of London, near in Ardenburg. And the aim was when they're retired, maybe they'll live out there, and the dream was 6 months in India, 6 months here. But obviously that didn't happen. They passed away and left this earth a lot quicker than we would have liked. And so I think the challenge we had was we hadn't actively got involved with that piece of asset in India. So when Mum passed away, and she actually passed away in India itself, it was very, very difficult and emotional for us to do anything. Immediately we went to India and began to identify where our land, where our parents' estate was. And because they hadn't made a will and hadn't made a deceit, as they say in Punjabi, the challenges and issues we sort of faced was being very clear of where our land was in India, and also, more importantly, ensuring that the right paperwork and process was in place before we could do anything with our land. So what NIDI and NRI Legal Services helped us with is being able to talk us through the steps that are involved in registering the land onto our names before you can do any sale, because it's obviously illegal to do that. Making sure the right plots and the boundaries were actually identified, but more importantly also gave us a very understanding of the local environment of what the actual valuation, genuine valuation, selling prices are. Being married, having 3 children, it's a very busy life in the UK, and obviously work full time for a corporate company, so there's working very long hours. So I think the advantage of NRI Legal Services was they're able to case manage your case, and keep you up to date with updates via telephone or via email. So it's been very, very helpful from that point of view, and not having to go to India at a drop of a hat to sort out little issues. So I think having NRI Legal Services actually helps with a lot of travelling, taking time out of the UK, and taking time off work to go and sort those problems out. And I think also what gave me a lot more confidence was the fact that they take on cases that they can genuinely help with. There's a lot of people out there who want to make a quick buck or make money on the back of clients who are vulnerable, and that's definitely not the case, I find, with NIDI. Yeah, I would recommend NRI Legal Services. I think NIDI comes to the UK quite frequently, 3 or 4 times a year. She holds workshops and sessions in different parts of the UK, in the north, in the Midlands, in the south. They've got different offices around the UK, and I would recommend definitely making an appointment to go and see them.